Hello guys, and welcome to Miss Beth's place. I've got a treat for y'all tonight. I'm so excited. I got me a new bread maker. It's a KBS. I ordered it off of Amazon, and I will link the bread maker below so you can try it out if you'd like. I'm going to do an unboxing of it and let y'all see what all it comes with. And in the future, I hope that I can make lots of bread recipes for y'all to follow. I know I'm planning on making some cinnamon rolls, pizza dough, buns. You can make all kinds of things with this. You can even just do the dough inside it, and you don't even have to make it fully. But let me do this unboxing and we'll get started. Okay, I got it out of the box, and so far I've got it comes with a really nice oven mitt, instruction booklet. Let's open it up and see what's in here. Wow, this is a really nice looking oven here. Comes inside, we've got I think this is what you put nuts and stuff in it. If you want to add that to your bread later on while it's mixing. Let's see right here. We got this little measuring cup, and we have a nice big bucket that you put the mixtures in. We've got, this looks like some simple directions. This is what all you can actually cook in it, or ways you can cook in it. Oh man, let's see. We've got soft bread, sweet bread, natural sourdough, French, whole wheat, quick, sugar-free, multigrain, milky loaf, cake. I didn't know you could do a cake in it. Raw dough, leavened dough, jam, bake. It's just baking it. Yogurt. Ooh. Gluten free, not gluten free, and ferment. So I know you can do the 11 and 12 there. You can just get the dough right to be risen, and then take it out and do what you want to with it after that. So I'm looking forward to doing a lot of that. But I think my first video, I'm going to just make a regular loaf of soft bread. But tonight is just for the unboxing. So I'll be letting y'all know what I think about this in the future. Again, it was a KBS bread maker. I'll come back in a few days and we will make some bread. Y'all go get you one. Hey, when you buy a loaf bread or any kind of bread in the store, whether you get it at Walmart or local grocery store or Publix, you don't know what's in that loaf of bread. I mean, they have to have certain chemicals, I'm sure, to preserve it for longer amounts of time. But you just don't really know what's in bread when you buy it from a grocery store or anywhere. And this, you know exactly what you're putting into your body, what made that bread. So I think it'll be a healthier alternative to making bread. So y'all stay tuned, and in a few days I'll come back and we will make bread. Y'all have a blessed day, and don't forget to like and subscribe below, and let me know if you are interested in making bread, or if you have one of these bread makers. Let me know how you like yours, please. Alrighty, well, y'all have a blessed night, and I will catch you later.
Hey. How you doing?